In this video, I will show you how to add a video, whether it is from YouTube, Facebook, or local on your computer in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger Website Builder. Before adding a video, let's first add a blank section to have a space to work on. Now to add a video from YouTube, just go to Add Element, click on Video and move it here. Click on Edit Video and replace this link with your link. You can play with settings like autoplay, having a loop in this video, or show video controls. You can also add an animation to this video like that. You can also resize the video size simply like that. You can duplicate this video element, and you can also play with the visibility of this video from YouTube on mobile and also desktop, and you can delete this YouTube video. To add a video from Facebook to Hostinger Website Builder, first locate the video, then get your video link and copy the URL of this link. Then look for something called Facebook Embedded Video Player Configurator and fill in your video link here. Click on Get Code. Then select iframe and copy this code. Then head back to your Hostinger Website Builder, add an element, and look for something called embed code. Drag and move it like that, double click it, and replace this code with your Facebook iframe code. Click on embed code, and you will see your Facebook video on your Hostinger Website Builder. Now to add a video from your computer to your Hostinger Website Builder, first you need to upload it to your Google Drive, just like that. File upload, locate your video. This is a short video that I will use. As you can see, it is uploading right now. Now that the upload is complete, double click your video and first click on Open in New Window. This is important in order to get your embed code. Now that your video is opened in a new window, click again on these little three dots and you will see embed item. Double click this code to select it all, then copy it just like that. Go back to your Hostinger Website Builder, add an embed code element, double click this text in order to replace your code and hit embed code. And as you can see, your video now is public on your Hostinger website. Don't forget to update your website. Now that my changes are public, let's view the site live. And this is how to add a video, whether it is from YouTube video or from your computer, to Hostinger Website Builder.